Welcome to Throttle Trends, where machines roar with style, and power meets prestige. Today, we're stepping into the world of industrial luxury, and at the center of attention is the majestic Cat D6 Bulldozer, dressed in a head golden finish. This isn't just a machine, it's a symbol of raw strength, elevated with elite design. As the camera glides from above, we witness a stunning top-down view, the Cat D6 standing proudly on clean marble showroom floors, bathed in the soft spotlight of a modern industrial setting. Every curve, every track, every metal edge gleams under precision lighting. The reflective surfaces highlight the detailed craftsmanship, while in the corner, near the showroom door, a small U.S. flag gently reminds us of the Bulldozer's American legacy. The Cat D6 is no ordinary dozer. With a reputation built over decades, it's known for its versatile performance, advanced controls, and unmatched durability. Underneath that golden armor lies a beast, a machine powered by a Cat C93B engine, delivering up to 215 horsepower, with surgical precision, but it's not just about muscle. The D6 brings intelligence to the job site. Thanks to Cat Grade with 3D and slope assist, operators enjoy enhanced control, reduced rework, and better fuel efficiency. It's a smart bulldozer for a smart era wrapped in a showroom look that demands attention. As we shift to a side angle, the sleek profile of the Cat D6 glows against the clean, modern interior. The wide tracks, the blade structure, and even the cabin, all designed for performance and operator comfort. You can practically feel the balance between brute force and engineering finesse. Let's not forget the cab interior, quiet, pressurized, and tech-loaded, with touchscreen displays, adjustable joysticks, and panoramic visibility. The Cat D6 doesn't just work hard, it works smart and comfortably. Back to the showroom. The golden paint reflects every beam of showroom light, almost as if the machine itself is glowing with pride. The minimalistic layout, the marble detailing, and the soft glow from above create the perfect canvas for this heavy-duty masterpiece. Whether it's pushing massive volumes of earth or holding its ground as a luxury industrial showpiece, the Cat D6 stands in a league of its own. It's a reminder that even the toughest machines can have a touch of elegance when performance meets presentation. So if you're as fascinated by the blend of industrial might and luxury design as we are, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Throttle Trends, because here, we don't just explore machines, we celebrate them. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep your engines loud and your style louder.